In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Gmail account without phone number verification. We are going to do this directly from an Android phone using the built-in account options, so you do not need to install anything extra. Before you start, make sure you have a stable internet connection, because the setup screens need to load and confirm your details. Begin by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll until you find Google, then tap it to open your Google settings. This area is where you can manage Google services and accounts connected to your device. Next, look for the option that says Add another account, and tap it. Your phone will take you to the sign-in screen where you normally enter an email address. Since you are creating a new account, select Create Account. When you are asked what the account is for, choose For My Personal Use. This ensures you are setting up a standard Gmail account for everyday use. Now you will be guided through the basic account information. Enter your name the way you want it to appear on emails. Then enter your birthday and follow any prompts related to age. After that, you will be asked to choose a Gmail address. Take your time here and pick something simple and professional. If the address you want is not available, Google will suggest alternatives, or you can adjust it slightly until you find one that works. As you continue, you may reach a screen that asks for a phone number. When that happens, do not enter a number. Instead, scroll down the page and tap Skip. If you do not see Skip right away, scroll slowly and look near the bottom, because it can be easy to miss. After skipping the phone number step, review the account details on the next screens. Read through the terms and privacy information, then tap Agree to finish the setup. Give it a moment to create the account and sign you in. Once it completes, your new Gmail account will be added to your device and ready to use in Gmail and other Google apps. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.